Magnetic clips are a great way to put up your Christmas lights. They're quick and easy to install and even easier to remove. Hey everyone, I'm Brett from Big Star Lights, and in this video I'm going to go over some of Big Star Lights magnetic clips, their applications, and some solid do's and don'ts. Let's get started. So let's talk about what makes Big Star Lights magnetic clips so great. Well, they're made with the strongest grade of rare earth magnet, and they're triple plated. It's 2 layers of nickel sandwiching a layer of copper. This provides the best protection against corrosion, as well as providing the strong adhesion to your roofline. Magnetic clips fit on both C7 and C9 wire with 2 different orientations, either pointing straight out away from the roofline or pointing along the roofline, either upwards or downwards. So before buying a magnetic clip, you always want to check to make sure that the surface you're sticking it to is actually ferrous. In most cases, downspouts or aluminum gutters are not ferrous. The clips won't stick to them. Applications for the magnetic clips are most widely used on flat roofs, such as this one, where there's metal flashing lining the whole roof line. So now that I have my magnetic clips attached to my sockets, all I'm going to be doing is placing the clips in a straight line on the metal flashing. It doesn't matter if the clips are on the bottom of the flashing or the top, just as long as you're consistent and that the lights are in a straight line and that your wire is not twisted. Something to note as well is that the magnetic clips can also pick up metallic debris from the shingles on the roofline, so it's always a good idea to give them a quick wipe before placing them on the metal flashing so that they sit straight and securely. So although our magnetic clips are really strong, it's always a good idea to use some multi-clips every once in a while. The thing about the magnetic clips is if you knock a few of them down, there is a possibility that the whole line could strip down, which if you've hung Christmas lights before, it is the most disheartening thing possible. So all I do is slip my multi-clip underneath the metal flashing and just wrap around my wire every once in a while and you'll be fine. So we've seen how easy it is to put the magnetic clip up. Taking them down is even easier. All it takes is a light tug. Now don't pull too hard or the whole line will start crashing down. But hopefully if you've installed your multi-clips correctly, that won't happen. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about Big Star Lights magnetic clips. If you like this video and want to learn more about installing Christmas lights, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Instagram to keep up to date on all of our tips and tricks. See you next time.